Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Fiverr, one of the world's most popular online marketplaces where freelancers and clients connect. Whether you want to buy services or sell your skills, Fiverr makes it possible for anyone to work from anywhere. Fiverr is a platform that bridges the gap between service providers and buyers. If you are new here, you can start by signing up for free. You can register using your email address, Google account, Facebook, or Apple ID, whichever is most convenient. Once your account is ready, then you will land on Fiverr's homepage. So, for joining Five on Fiverr, click join, then follow the process like continue with Google, continue with email. Just enter your email address and password, then click continue. I have already an account, so I will click on sign in button. Then I will enter my password and email address, then sign in. Here you will see the navigation bar and search bar are your best friends here. They help you quickly find what you are looking for, whether you need a logo design, video editing, or SEO work. Everything is just a few clicks away. Let's try searching for something, say a voiceover services. Type it in the search bar and you will see thousands of results. Use filters like category, voiceover, then select the language, then click apply. This helps you find the right service faster. When browsing gigs, pay attention to seller ratings. Click one from here, like top rated. Scroll down. These indicators help you choose trustworthy freelancer like level 1, level 2, or top rated. Each gig usually offers three packages like basic, basic, then standard, and premium, each with different features, delivery times, and prices. Review them carefully to choose what fits your needs. Once you have found the right gig, select your preferred package and any optional extras. These extras can customize the order specific to your specific requirements. Before placing the order, Fiverr shows you a summary screen with the total cost. Click continue. Here the total cost, then service fee, ensuring everything is clear before you pay. Fiverr's built-in messaging system allows smooth communication between buyer and seller. You can clarify details, share files, and ask questions anytime. Now, let's switch gear and talk about selling on Fiverr to become a seller. Switch your account to seller mode. Click switch to selling. This will take you to the seller dashboard like this. Your command center for managing gigs, orders, and earnings. Your seller profile is your first impression. Add a clear profile photo, describe your skills, and list the languages you speak. This builds trust and attracts more buyers. When creating a gig, start with a strong title. So click My Business, then click Gigs. Fiverr allows you to set up three-tier pricing packages like Basic, Standard, and Premium, each with its own delivery time, revision. Search for pricing. Here's the pricing tab, look like this. You can also offer gig extras, optional add-ons that allow buyers to customize their orders and increase your earnings. Write a clear and compelling gig descriptions. Include exactly what you will deliver, the benefits, and who it's for. Add an FAQ section to answer common buyer questions upfront. Be present, be, pres- be precise about buyer requirements, for example, asking for specific files, scripts, or details. Once you are happy with your gig, submit the Fiverr, submit it for Fiverr's review. Once approved, it will go live and start attracting buyers. And that's Fiverr in a nutshell for beginners. Whatever you are here to buy services or sell your skills, Fiverr offers everything you need in one place. Start today and take your freelancing journey to the next level. Thanks for watching.